How to save TikTok drafts to gallery without posting. Hi everyone, welcome back to our channel. This is Rose and I'll show you how to save TikTok drafts to your gallery without actually posting them. So without further ado, let's get started. Launch TikTok application. Now tap the upload button at bottom center of your screen. Record your video. Now tap the next icon at bottom right corner of your screen. Tap on Everyone can view this post option and tap on Only you. After that, tap the post button. Now you can easily view your private video on your profile. Navigate to profile icon at bottom right corner. Now tap on the lock icon. Here you will see all your private videos. Simply select that one and then you need to navigate to the three dots at bottom right. Tap on save video and with that you have successfully saved the TikTok drafts to gallery without posting. That's it. I hope this guide was helpful. If it was, then don't forget to like, share and comment. Thank you for watching and I'll see you in the next video.